Hi guys, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is going to be all about the Garnier cleansing water, micellar cleansing water, and what I think about this. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. And of course, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be informed of new videos that Ya Girl uploads. Okay? Alright. Medyo dim ang lighting natin at nakabatalan outfit ako ngayon. Maglalaba po ako at maliligo. Tsaka lang. Okay, medyo i-bright natin lang very light before we get started. Okay, so today's video is going to be a product review about this and what I think about it. Is it worth it? Do you need to stock up on this? Let's get it started. So this is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This is for the oily, acne-prone skin variant. I think this only comes in two variants, which is one for sensitive skin and then this one. So I'm just gonna focus on this one, okay? I don't have sensitive skin, so I don't see the point of me purchasing that other one. This is currently, as of filming, this is currently retails at about 89 pesos at Mercury Drug. I'm not sure if with other establishments like Watson's and other groceries, if they are selling this for 89 bucks, mga 89 to 115 pesos. So it's really good if you wanted to stock up on this. If this is your favorite, go right ahead, my friend. So it says here, it removes makeup, cleanses, and mattifies. It's a no rinse. Usually naman lahat naman ng micellar water, no rinse. Parang kung gusto mong burahin na yung makeup mo for the day and just go to sleep, it does its thing. And it's good for the face, eyes, and lips. And this product is also dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested, which is first time I've heard, to be honest. Okay, so there's like a step-by-step guide on how to use this, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm going to show you guys all the dirt and the grime and the nasty things that have been accumulated on my face today, kasi nga I wanna put it to the test. On the test, wala na naman akong English tonight. Alas 2 na kasi na umaga. Alam mo yun yung tipong buong araw kang nasa labas. Oh my god. The dirt and the grime is just like unbelievable. We're done with round 1. What? So this is what it looks like. Kadiri, my god. Okay. Nakakadiri siya, to be honest. Now, time for round 2. Ayan lang. I do like that this bottle has like its own stopper. Hindi ganun kalaking butas. So, hindi ganun kadaming na-dispense na product. And, it has a very faint smell. Pero hindi siya yung nakakaano. Hindi siya yung parang nakaka-irritate na amoy. Round 2. Oh my god, it's still dirty. Ayan siya, oh. Hindi ako nahihiya. Okay, time for round 3. Usually naman, pag ginagamit ko to, mga around 2 to 3 pads, cotton pads, ang nagagamit ko. So, yeah. Time for round 3. Usually, on round 3, hindi ko na dinadama yung neck. Pero for the sake of this video, we're gonna do that. At feeling ko dumidilim na dahil yung ilaw ko malalobat na. But we'll still do this. Pasang pasanin mo ako na may micellar water, ha. Okay. This is only the face for round 3. So as you can see, hindi na siya ganun kadumi. Let's see with my neck area. Ito talaga madumi to, eh. Aminado ako sa sarili ko, pag naglilinis ako ng mukha, yung neck ko talaga yung madumi. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Okay. It's relatively cleaner. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so we're back. Medyo brinighten ko ng ilaw para makita nyo may mukha ko after I've removed all the dirt and grime from my face throughout the day. And honestly, guys, I do like it. Okay, I do like that it removed, you know, the dirt and the oil from my face. That I'm like so ashamed why I have those much dirt on my face throughout the day. And it's really good that you cleanse your face, you use a micellar water kasi it's really gentle. Like this one, it's really gentle on the face. I'm just really weirded out that this one bubbles up. Like when I do this, nagbabubble up siya. I don't know what's in here kasi with other micellar waters I've tried, they don't bubble. That like they don't do this. They don't like do this. It's weird. And the only thing I'm also weirded out is why does it have to mattify my face if I'm gonna go to sleep, diba? Like I feel my face is matte. Like I do see like it mattified my face, but I don't see the point. But I do like it. Like, to be honest, I'm so amazed with this product right here. I do like this. Only another thing I don't like about it is it doesn't really move waterproof makeup. So, if you have like waterproof mascara on or eyeliner, go get an oil cleanser first and then use the micellar water. I'm not kidding. It doesn't remove eye makeup that easily. It takes me about, I think, 6 cotton pads. 6 times to remove my eye makeup using the this micellar water. So I'm kind of like meh. It's like for light makeup days, or if you're not gonna use waterproof makeup, it's really great. Overall, what do I think about the Garnier micellar cleansing water? I really like this product. I would definitely recommend this to you guys. But if you are the kind of person that uses a lot of waterproof eye makeup, again, this is only a personal preference. Hindi ko siya masyadong, alam mo, ma-recommend kung gumagamit ka nun lagi. Go get an oil cleanser and then go for this. This is really good. The only, yun nga, may mga bagay na hindi din ako gusto sa kanya. Pero I'm willing to let those slide kasi nga, it does the job really well. And this is only for 89 pesos. So for sure, I'm going to stock up on this. I really like it. There are other cleansing waters I will be trying in the future, so make sure to check that out. For now, I would give this my stamp of approval. It's really good. Definitely try it out. And the thing I really like about this is that at the end of the day, even if I'm so tired, I feel like my face is a bit cleaner, but I do have to wash it again with water and cleanser, and this does the job so well. Okay, so that's basically it for today's video, guys. What do you guys think about the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water? Do you like it? Do you love it? Are you, like, on edge with it? You don't like it? Let me know in the comment section. Of course, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos that your girl uploads. Okay, and also don't forget to follow me on my social networking sites, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And I'll see you guys on my next video. So don't forget to, again, subscribe and click the notification bell, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Bye!